guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Yes, we have a new arrival for 34 kWh battery pack. Yes, this one. This is the version 2 for the 668 ampere-hour and 628 ampere-hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell built inside. This one is our previous type and this one is our new type. For both two types, the big difference is appearance. This one, they have the design here. You can see they have banding on the front of panel. But for this one, it's just a flat plate on the front of panel. This is the biggest difference between each of them. For this one, we will focus on the economic cost, and this one will be in a high-end cost. So let's follow my camera to see this new design and will you choose this one or this one. Firstly, when you saw this version 2, you will have the appearance. It is more flat. Yes, appearance no big difference compared to the market, most of the design. But compared to the market, it have the handle. This handle can be movable when you to move away. It is more convenient. And secondly, the front with the JK BMS 4.3 inch screens and on and off switch. And let's move to the back of the battery pack. It is with the 300 ampere circuit breaker, the big one. The two terminal, positive and negative. This is the similar design as this version. And for the next step, I'd like to open the box kit and let you guys to see the inner design of this battery pack. Open the box kit, then you can see it is with the JK BMS 16 series 300 ampere current pass. And it all use the Cooper. Yes, Cooper here. And the inner design is also with the Cooper bus bar. Inner design, you can see it is very clean and easy inner of the design. All of the components for connection by the Cooper, pure Cooper. 99% Cooper. So the quality can be guaranteed. Okay. For this one, as I said to you, this is for the economic type compared to this one. It is to our high-end design, and this one is for more cheaper option. So one is $519 for the DIY box kit, and this one is $550. Which one you will choose? Comment below and let me know your decision. And this is Anya. See you next video. Bye-bye.